Alright guys, so I'm at the local tire spot, and like I said, I'm gonna get new used front tires. I'm gonna get these just to test my experiment. But look at this, Kumo. Oh yeah. So 50 bucks a piece, that's not bad. Plus mountain balance, so I'm cool with that. Alright. I'll be back with the next one shortly. Check it out. Oh yeah. Alright everybody, so here go the continuation. These are people that's great do my tires for me. You see, I'm jacked up. About to get my stuff done. I need my tires, man. This is the spot you check out, man. They do everything, man. Good dudes to deal with, and you get decent prices. So don't be coming here trying to be cheap. I'm gonna tell them, let me know, get in your ass real quick.
With
look at the tires, man. Right. They about to set my girl up on that thing, boy. Put the new rubber on there, man. Now we about to test, not today though, cause the rain ain't nothing with it, yeah. Check this out, y'all. Hey, check this out.
Valves. I'm gonna go from twin turbo to a single turbo. The up pipe is $1,300.
Yeah, you gotta keep me posted on this, man. Come here to get my tires, and he doing mods on his Audi Quattro. Hit the gas so they can hit exhaust. Check this out, y'all. Oh yeah.